First of all, I'd like to welcome you to the Department of Ophthalmology and Visual Sciences this year. We're very glad you decided to join us. I'm Curtis Brandt. I'm the Vice Chair for Research. I've been here over 30 years on the faculty, and research in my lab focuses on gene delivery, gene therapy, and infectious diseases and immunology in the eye.
My name is Christina Thomas-Vernig, and I am the Translational Research Manager for the Department of Ophthalmology and Visual Sciences. Basically, I try to promote collaborations within the department and outside of the department across the community.
And we have a very strong research component in the department, and it's also very diverse and very broad, and it ranges all the way from what I consider our stellar clinical trials research unit, all the way to basic science wet labs, epidemiologic studies and the studies on the role of diet in the health of your visual system. We have multiple labs that study various different aspects of glaucoma, and then we also have a very strong group of people that study the disease and function in the retina. Another key factor in our research component, our research portfolio, is the Fundus Photograph Reading Center, and that unit is probably the world's leader in the analysis of retinal photographs and quantification of changes in the retina under various disease conditions or in various drug treatment regimens. Our clinical trials unit has a very broad portfolio of clinical trials that they're managing and running, and they range all the way from gene therapy trials that we're involved with to the vaccinia virus trial, national trial, where we have a component of that. And so that's another strength in our department in terms of research. In terms of glaucoma, we have research people that are studying the function and structure of the trabecular meshwork and how it relates to glaucoma. We have groups that study retinal ganglion cells as in glaucoma, and in fact they're working on gene delivery methods to try and block the development of glaucoma pathology. In terms of retina, we have a strong group that's looking at vascular diseases in the retina and how they develop and how blood vessel growth is regulated and can be controlled. And we also have a couple of newer faculty that focus on studying how the nerve cells in your retina actually make their connections and monitor those connections and how they function and how the retina works when those connections are made. So we have a very broad, like I said before, we have a very broad portfolio that goes from all the way from the front of the eye to the back of the eye. And we also have a Vision Research Corps that's funded by a National Eye Institute Corps grant.
Every 2 years, we are having a research retreat where everybody exchanges ideas, and there has been a lot of fostering of those projects to promote the collaboration between various disciplines of the department, and it's been a great success.